Africa is not poor. Our minds are. A slave who cannot assume his own revolt does not deserve to be pitied. We do not feel sorry for ourselves. We do not ask anyone to feel sorry for us. We believe terrorism comes from imperialism, and we are fighting it to develop our homeland. I cannot understand why Africa, with its huge mineral resources, is still the poorest continent. For 8 years, we have been fighting the most barbaric and cruel form of modern slavery. We decided to fight the terrorists ourselves without waiting for anyone. African leaders must stop acting like puppets when imperialists pull the strings. Glory, dignity, and victory to our nations. Homeland or death. We will mine our gold ourselves, not for France, but for our people. We must catch up to 2025 as if we were still in 1800, and it is possible. Leading a country is a privilege, not a business opportunity. We are the forgotten peoples of the world, but we speak for the future of our nations. Why does resource-rich Africa remain the poorest region of the world? We ask these questions, but we get no answers. We must build new relationships to secure a better tomorrow. A slave who does not fight for his freedom is not worthy of any indulgence. Heads of African states must not behave like puppets in imperialist hands. We must ensure our countries are self-sufficient and meet the needs of our people. True revolution starts in the mind. We stand strong, not asking for pity. Our struggle is our choice, not a charity. To defeat terrorism is to secure development. Imperialism fuels the wars we fight. Our resources should serve our people, not oppress us. Poverty in resource-rich lands is a moral question. A people who fight define their destiny. Leaders must serve, not sell out. National dignity cannot be imported. Victory belongs to those who want it. Self-sufficiency is the foundation of freedom. Our unity will break the chains of dependency. We must lead our destiny, not follow others' scripts. Sovereignty begins with self-belief. Backward is a choice. Progress is a decision. Countries mine resources. Liberation mines dignity. Every leader is born from collective courage. History forgets. We must remind ourselves. Independence demands economic liberation. Lead with purpose, not popularity. We are not broken. We are awakening. Tyranny treads softly until rightful resistance roars. Chains of the mind are the hardest to shatter. Yesterday's dreams should fuel today's actions.